don't 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 eat protein, otherwise it will damage your kidneys. Have you ever heard this kind of sentence from any person who is nearby you or who is your relative or your friend? Friends, whether you want to believe it or not, but India consuming good sources of protein and lack of good protein in the diet is a major problem. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach, I'm a lifestyle expert, and I help people to reduce their fat. Friends, I still remember those days when I used to be afraid of consuming lot of protein because some of my friends has told me and some of the elder people has also told me that consuming lot of protein can damage your kidneys. But the fact is something different from it. Because if I'm going to ask to them now that how much protein can damage my kidneys, they don't have any answer. And the bad thing about me is that I believed on them. I believed just because I did not have belief in myself. I did not have the knowledge about the nutrition and the macronutrients. Although protein is the most significant macronutrient at the time of losing your weight. If a person wants to increase their muscle, there is a balance of carbohydrate and protein. But if a person who is looking forward to lose their weight, protein is the main component, and especially the lean proteins. Friends, because of those myths and because of those wrong sentences and because of those wrong mentors, I was not able to build my physique for more than 10 years. I have been working out very sincerely, but I was not getting any good result just because I was not consuming good sources of protein, or at least how much protein should I need in a person's body. I did not have the awareness about it. So today I will give you in what 2 ways protein can solve the problem of your overweight issue. The number one way that protein has a power to maintain our body, our muscles, our hair, our skin, they all are made up of protein, and our body do not want to consume energy from the protein. So that's why whenever we eat protein, on that time our body do not consume energy out of it, it uses the energy out of the fat. And that's why protein has the ability that which maintain our body and maintain our muscle mass. And if we have a good muscle mass, on that time our metabolic rate is high, just because a cell of muscle use 14 calorie of energy to survive, although a fat cell use only 1 calorie to survive. So that's why we are going to consume more calories. Many of the time you must have seen the people who has the good muscles, once they get the fat, once again their muscle memory, once again they start their workouts, they get their fitness back very fast, just because they already have a muscles cells into their body. So that's why eat good protein in your diet. The second way protein helps a person to lose their fat is that we do have a thermal energy utilization at the time of digestion. For example, if we are consuming 100 gram of carbohydrate in our body in forms of grains, chapatis and rice, our body utilizes 90% of energy out of it, or 90% part for the repairing of the body, for the energy of the body, or etc. And the 10% is utilized by the digestive energy. So that's why we get the 90 out of 100 when we consume carbohydrate or grains. But when we consume lean sources of protein like eggs, chickens, tofu, paneer, these all are the good sources of protein, and whenever we consume them, the body utilizes 70 out of them, and the 30% is utilized by the thermal energy of digestive system. So it means that whatever kind of food we are eating, 70% is going to be used by the body as a part of the energy or repairing. The 30% is going to be used by the digestive system. So that's why whenever a person utilizing a protein as a major source of food, on that time he or she is getting only 70% of the food if they are consuming a good sources of protein. So that's why we must consume protein in our diet. A person, whether he is a man or she is a woman, on that time they all must consume good sources of protein as per their body weight. The minimum requirement of the protein starts from 0.6 gram to 0.8 gram for the normal person as per their weight in kilos. For example, if a person who is 100 kg, he or she must require 60 gram protein to 80 grams of protein minimum in their diet. And the problem is that we are not consuming that much protein. We are not afraid of consuming white sugar, but we are afraid of consuming the good sources of protein. Just because of some of the companies and some of the other people just mentioning to them who are not knowledgeable, who are not practically applied the knowledge on themselves. Once I have applied the knowledge on myself, then I have seen the changes. That's why I usually recommend to people to consume protein and have the permanent changes in your life. Because of the protein, I'm not afraid to consume any of the things, because I know that I have the power and I have the knowledge that how can I maintain my weight and how can I do other things which helps me to lose my weight and make me young. So that's why, my friends, I request to all of you to consume protein. Although you are not going to believe in this, there was a survey conducted on the diabetic people. Out of 42% of the diabetic people out of 1500, 42% people are already having the problem of kidney. So that's why sugar is worst product which can damage your kidney, but not the protein. So if you're not afraid to consume a tea with a sugar, then you should not afraid to consume a good sources of protein. Although whenever you take your protein, whenever you are on a weight losing diet, on that time you need to consume more water so that your body will start cleansing fats along with the protein and other things also. So this is how one person loses the weight with the help of protein. Friends, if you want to know more about it, then I have created a 5-day bootcamp class for all of you. In that very bootcamp class, I'm going to discuss that how you can lose your 1 kg in just 5 days with the help of the metabolism reset system, which I have created for the people like you along with my knowledge. Friends, if you wish to join that WhatsApp class, then the class is going to start on 23rd of November of next week. So be ready for it. And if you wish to start your health journey, then you can start with this link I'm giving you in the description so that you can join. If you have any other queries, if you want my personal guidance, then feel free to message me or contact me directly. This is Bhupendra signing out for now. I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness.